Reading report. Student name Jessica Alejandra Llano Culma and Maria Caterina Piso Camero. Title Expressive and Receive Vocabulary in Preschool Children and Socioeconomics Factors. Theme Economic Factor in Communication and Language. Program Speech Therapy. Subject Research 2. Reading objects. Subject's topic depend and know the incidence of socioeconomic factors in the development process in the communication and language of children. Text structure. Glossary. Vocabulary, expressive, socioeconomic factors, language, phonologic, semantic aspect, the development of academic skills, socioeconomic status. Main ideas. Number 1. The role of the socioeconomic factor in language development in the early childhood stage from 4 to 6 years old. Number 2. The importance and role that the socioeconomic factor plays in the development of language from a perspective of receive and expression vocabulary in the evolutionary part of the infant. This began the fundamental stage in the life cycle of the human being. Number 3. The relationship that exists between the economic and the development of language in infants.
Short summary. This document aids the developed children's language will bring the reader a light closer from its concept and the importance of this development, focusing on the acquisition of vocabulary from different contexts of child growth. It also highlights some fundamental factors that can impact this development either positively or negatively. We call so factors economic, health, and family habits. So, secondly, it envelops the parents as the main subjects in the intervention of its evolution, being the first actor of the language to which the infant is exposed. At the same time, they mention the role the parents as a notorious predominant role in the child's verbal fluency. This study added the investigation from 4 at 6 years old, of which a percentage belongs to public schools and other private schools. Said scenarios were aimed at a single objective, which will consist of evaluating the expressive and received vocabulary of preschool children and its relation with socioeconomic factors. Thus, to bring a result after an intervention of tests and questioning. That, in fact, the economic part plays a fundamental role in the development of the child. This is what algorithms assess the education service, which makes a significant contribution of developed science. It helps to bring the child closer to earth context that facilitates its development. But on the contrary, it is also made visible that high log researchers makes a very access. Such services thus limited interaction with scenarios outside their family. With reference the author books or theories. The realization with Skinner's theory of language development. Short biography. This magazine was created in order to publish new knowledge on health issues, topics succeed from the role of speech therapy. The creators of this space were Irene Quiroz and Jaime Luis Sorsi, a health and education teacher. Objective author. Conoce different factors that can affect development of language to abound in assume that may unday these gaps. Questions based on the article. 1. Which is a relationship between socioeconomic factors and language development? 2. How does language development affect children's academic skills? 3. Through what strategies can this population be intervened? Point of view. It is essential to code the independence of socioeconomic factors in the development of language in childhood and how it can aid in the acquisition of the vocabulary of the population. Bibliography. Rayona da Silva Santos, Wilhelm Francisco, Caterina Lukasova.